Welcome to the GlobalX Summer Program's Attendance Form Informational Video. To access the form, please check your Canvas page or go to our website, midpac.edu. Click Center at the top of the screen, and then Global Exchange Academy. On the right-hand side, click Global Exchange Academy Handbook. Then you will look for Attendance and Absence Procedures. Scroll down to Summer Programs. There, you will find the Preschool and Elementary School Attendance Form and the Middle and High School Form. Let's take a look at the Middle and High School Attendance Form. Complete all required questions and remember to choose Summer Programs. The attendance form must be completed if your child will be absent, late, or picked up early. All students in preschool through grade 12 must have the attendance form completed by a parent or guardian by 8 a.m. on the requested date.